Have you ever wondered if a business partner who seriously breaches an agreement might face more than just paying back what they owe? It is a common question, and understanding the different types of damages is key to navigating business relationships and potential disputes. The simple answer is that punitive damages are very rarely awarded in contract cases. Contract law generally aims to compensate the injured party for their actual losses, putting them in the position they would have been in had the contract been fulfilled. This is known as making the party whole, not punishing the breaching party. The fundamental reason for this lies in the nature of contract law itself. Contracts are agreements between parties, and their breach is typically viewed as a failure to perform a promise, not a moral wrong. Therefore, the legal system primarily focuses on economic remedies. However, a significant exception arises when the breach of contract is accompanied by an independent tort, which is a civil wrong separate from the contract itself. This could include situations like fraud, misrepresentation, or a breach of fiduciary duty, where one party holds a position of trust over another, and their actions go beyond merely breaking a promise. So, how do you recognize when a contract dispute might escalate beyond mere compensatory damages? If the conduct of the breaching party demonstrates malice, oppression, or fraud, and is separate from the contractual obligation, you might have grounds to explore more significant claims. It is important to look beyond just the broken promise and consider the intent and nature of the actions involved. A key concept here is the independent tort or breach of fiduciary duty. For instance, if a partner in a business embezzles funds while also breaching a partnership agreement, the embezzlement is a tort that could warrant punitive damages, separate from the breach of contract. Another example might be extreme bad faith or egregious conduct that violates a public policy or a duty of good faith and fair dealing inherent in certain contractual relationships, though proving this for punitive damages is exceptionally difficult. Understanding that contract law focuses on making things right, rather than punishment, empowers you to manage expectations and strategize effectively in business agreements. Recognizing the specific, rare circumstances where a breach crosses into malicious or fraudulent conduct allows you to assess your legal options more accurately, helping to protect your business interests from truly egregious wrongdoing.